It's using the basic design of the iPhone SE, and of course it's something Apple would never do to a budget end model, and it's using tech that they haven't even used on any of their higher end phones yet. But I wanted to talk about this for just a second, so we just wanted to throw this out there. Our dream definition of the iPhone SE and what we would have liked it to look like. So on the display, what you're looking at, this is actually Apple's patented technology that would allow for literally screen to be everywhere on the display, and you'd be able to hide sensors underneath the glass like a camera and the actual ambient light sensor, but the earpiece would still need a direct cutout. So we just decided to leave a cutout for all of those right now, just for demonstration purposes. You can look at it and it looks really cool. And this is where Apple eventually might go with their future iPhones. It's very, very futuristic, hard to do, probably impossible right now, but we're getting there. And Apple has a patent that's been granted to it to make this possible. So we just wanted to put it into this concept to give you a visual of what Apple could bring in the future. So I thought that was pretty cool. On the back, we're looking at pretty conventional stuff for Apple. We've got the lens that we took from the iPhone 8 series, popped it onto here. It's got a glass back now. Of course, the iPhone SE branding looks all around pretty cool. And of course, that new rose blush gold color from the iPhone 8 on the iPhone SE. So this is our dream iPhone SE, what we would have liked Apple to do. Will they do this? Absolutely not. I mean, this is a low end, but in a nutshell, the rumors surrounding the iPhone SE-2 right now, what we can expect from it is really not much in terms of radical redesign. It'll still mostly look like the usual iPhone SE that we have right now. There will be some slight cosmetic differences, such as a glass back, and because of that glass back, it will have wireless charging. So that did